just like that, and some shot. So now I need 2 jokers somewhere together, right over here. Now you can touch any card in the deck. This one is the 8 of spades. So look the 8 somewhere in the middle of the packet, just like so. So now here comes a part of 2 jokers. I take 2 jokers and put them right on the table, and the deck right there. Now watch. The joker instantly chop 1 card, and this card is the 8 of spades, your selection. So let's get into the tutorial. So for this card trick, you need 2 jokers and to shuffle the deck, just like so. So now you can let the speaker cut the cards and let them choose 1 card. For example, this card, the 8 of diamonds, 2-8. Now you can choose the 8 to the top, any metals you want. You can keep a pinky break right on top of the 8 and use the double undercut to control the 8 to the top, or you can use the pass, which you can see on my channel somewhere in the description box or in the screen. Okay, so you control the 8 to the top. Now you catch a pinky break right under the 8, just like so. Now you take the 2 face up jokers and put them on top, and you sandwich the 8 between the 2 jokers, just like so, and put the 2 jokers right on the table. You must be careful that the 8 didn't explode when you throw the 2 jokers right on the table. Now you put the deck right there, and you hold 2 jokers by your index and your thumb, maybe your middle finger. So now your left hand come over and refold the deck like this, as your right hand throw the sandwich inside, just like so. So now this is the situation you may have, and you produce the card, just like so. So that's pretty much